I got two pet peeves I want to talk about. Number one is, it really bothers me when I see adults wearing pajamas in public. And the other is when people say, we got to think outside the box. First off, there shouldn't be a box. You shouldn't have limited thinking. But besides that, a lot of people, when they say think outside the box, really aren't thinking outside the box. They've really just landed on common sense. Common sense is not thinking outside the box. Thinking outside the box is creating an app where people communicate in 140 characters or less, now 280, and somehow believing that's actually going to work. That's thinking outside the box. Building relationships with kids and continuously teaching them appropriate behavior is not thinking outside the box. That's just common sense. We have this belief in education that we have to think outside the box to solve our problem. Maybe we should just focus on common sense. Restorative practices is not an outside the box approach to education. It's a common sense approach to education.